Today we are going to learn about ensuring model registry security and compliance. We'll delve into practical strategies to enhance security and ensure compliance within model registries, equipping you with critical skills to protect sensitive data and maintain trust in AI systems. In today's AI-driven world, ensuring the security and compliance of model registries is essential. Model registries are centralized repositories where machine learning models are stored, and protecting these assets is crucial for maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of AI systems. This video will guide you through the complexities of securing model registries and ensuring they comply with industry standards. We will explore various security risks associated with model registries, discuss practical strategies for implementing robust access controls, and delve into data encryption methods. Additionally, we will cover compliance standards and regulations that are pivotal to maintaining legal and ethical AI operations. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to enhance the security of your model registries and ensure compliance with relevant standards. Model registries, like any other digital asset, are susceptible to a variety of security risks. Understanding these risks is the first step in mitigating them effectively. Common security threats include unauthorized access, data breaches, model theft, and adversarial attacks. Unauthorized access can lead to the manipulation or theft of sensitive models, compromising the integrity of your AI systems. Data breaches can expose confidential information, leading to severe legal and financial repercussions. Additionally, the vulnerabilities in model registries can be exploited by adversaries to inject malicious code or manipulate model outcomes. The impact of such breaches can be detrimental, not only financially but also in terms of reputational damage and loss of trust. Therefore, it is imperative to adopt a proactive approach to risk management, continuously identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities. Throughout this section, we will explore real-world examples of security breaches in model registries and discuss the lessons learned from these incidents. By understanding these risks, you can take the necessary steps to safeguard your model registries and ensure the security of your AI systems. Access controls and authentication are the cornerstones of model registry security. Implementing robust access controls ensures that only authorized personnel can access and modify the models stored within the registry. This involves setting up role-based access controls, RBAC, which define who can access what data based on their role within the organization. In addition to RBAC, strong authentication mechanisms are crucial for verifying the identity of users attempting to access the registry. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is one of the most effective methods, requiring users to provide multiple forms of verification before gaining access. This adds an additional layer of security, making it more difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain entry. Best practices for access management also include regular audits of access logs, monitoring for suspicious activities, and promptly revoking access for users who no longer require it. By implementing these strategies, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access and ensure the security of their model registries. Data encryption is a fundamental aspect of securing model registries. By encrypting data, organizations can protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and ensure data integrity. There are several types of encryption methods available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for encryption and decryption, while asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key, for more secure communication. It is crucial to implement encryption both at rest and in transit to protect data stored within the registry and data being transmitted over networks. In addition to choosing the right encryption method, effective key management practices are essential. This involves securely storing and managing encryption keys, ensuring they are only accessible to authorized users. While data encryption is a powerful tool for securing model registries, it also presents challenges, such as the potential for performance impacts and the need for regular updates to encryption protocols. Despite these challenges, the benefits of data encryption in protecting sensitive information far outweigh the drawbacks, making it a critical component of model registry security.
Compliance with industry standards and regulations is a critical aspect of managing model registries. In the realm of AI, there are several key regulations that organizations must adhere to, including the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. These regulations emphasize the importance of data privacy and protection, requiring organizations to implement robust security measures to safeguard personal information. In addition to these overarching regulations, there are industry-specific compliance standards that may apply, depending on the nature of the data being processed. For example, healthcare organizations must comply with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, while financial institutions must adhere to the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. Ensuring compliance with these standards involves a continuous process of assessment, implementation, and monitoring. Organizations must stay informed about changes in regulations and update their security practices accordingly. By prioritizing compliance, organizations can not only avoid legal penalties but also build trust with their stakeholders by demonstrating a commitment to data protection and privacy. Continuous monitoring and auditing of registry activities are essential components of a comprehensive security strategy. By keeping a close eye on registry activities, organizations can quickly detect and respond to any suspicious behavior or anomalies. Implementing audit trails is a key practice in this regard, allowing organizations to maintain a detailed record of all actions taken within the registry. These records can be invaluable in identifying unauthorized access attempts or changes to models. Automated monitoring tools can enhance this process by providing real-time alerts and insights into registry activities. These tools use advanced algorithms to detect patterns and anomalies, enabling organizations to respond swiftly to potential threats. Regular review and assessment of monitoring data are also crucial, as they provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of existing security measures and help identify areas for improvement. By prioritizing monitoring and auditing, organizations can ensure the ongoing security and integrity of their model registries, protecting against both internal and external threats.
DevSecOps is an approach that integrates security into every phase of the software development lifecycle, ensuring that security considerations are addressed from the outset. In the context of model registry management, adopting a DevSecOps approach offers numerous benefits. By embedding security practices into the development process, organizations can identify and address potential vulnerabilities early, reducing the risk of security breaches. However, implementing DevSecOps is not without its challenges. It requires a cultural shift within the organization, fostering collaboration between development, security, and operations teams. Best practices for implementing DevSecOps in AI include automating security tests, conducting regular security assessments, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By prioritizing security at every stage of development, organizations can enhance the security of their model registries and ensure compliance with relevant standards. Throughout this section, we will explore case studies of successful DevSecOps implementations, highlighting the strategies and practices that contributed to their success. By learning from these examples, organizations can effectively integrate DevSecOps into their registry management processes, enhancing security and compliance efforts. A wide range of tools is available to enhance the security of model registries, each offering unique features and capabilities. Selecting the right tools for your organization is crucial, as they will play a significant role in protecting your models and ensuring compliance. Key features to look for in effective security tools include real-time monitoring, automated threat detection, and comprehensive reporting capabilities. These features enable organizations to quickly identify and respond to potential threats, minimizing the risk of security breaches. Integrating these tools into existing workflows can be challenging, but it is essential for maximizing their effectiveness. Organizations should carefully evaluate the performance and effectiveness of their chosen tools, regularly assessing their impact on registry security. By doing so, they can make informed decisions about whether to continue using a particular tool or explore alternative options. Throughout this section, we will provide an overview of some of the most popular security tools available, highlighting their features and capabilities. By understanding the strengths and limitations of these tools, organizations can make informed decisions about how best to enhance the security of their model registries. Examining real-world examples of security breaches can provide valuable insights into the challenges and vulnerabilities associated with model registries. Notable security breaches, such as the theft of sensitive models or unauthorized access to registry data, have had significant impacts on the organizations involved, leading to financial losses, reputational damage, and legal consequences. By analyzing these incidents, organizations can identify common patterns and vulnerabilities, allowing them to implement strategies to prevent similar breaches in the future. Key lessons learned from past incidents include the importance of robust access controls, continuous monitoring, and regular security assessments. Additionally, organizations must prioritize communication and collaboration between different teams, fostering a culture of security awareness and vigilance. By learning from real-world examples, organizations can enhance their security practices and ensure the ongoing protection of their model registries. Throughout this section, we will explore several case studies of security breaches, highlighting the key takeaways and strategies for preventing similar incidents. By understanding the lessons learned from these incidents, organizations can take proactive steps to safeguard their model registries and enhance their overall security posture.
In conclusion, ensuring the security and compliance of model registries is a critical aspect of managing AI systems. Throughout this video, we have explored a range of strategies and best practices for enhancing registry security, from understanding security risks to implementing robust access controls and data encryption methods. We have also discussed the importance of compliance with industry standards and regulations, as well as the role of continuous monitoring and auditing in maintaining registry integrity. By implementing the strategies and practices discussed in this video, organizations can significantly enhance the security of their model registries, protecting sensitive data and maintaining trust with stakeholders. As you continue your journey in AI security, we encourage you to explore additional resources and stay informed about the latest developments in the field. Remember, security is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement and vigilance. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your efforts to ensure the security and compliance of your model registries.